Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to replace your SIM card slot on your sim900. This is a board for embedded systems, and you can use it for any application. So this would work on other modules. So right now I have a soldering gun, and I also have soldering and desoldering white paste fax. What we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put my wax here, and I'll also apply it up on top. So this will help the desoldering come up very well, like I want to desolder it without doing any damage. And this is what I'm going to replace. You have to make sure you know the positions of your SIM card where it faces. My case faces up from that, so that you don't do it vice versa. So I'm going to desolder, and you have to be careful when you're doing that. So you have to go slowly, and you have to make sure you do it on both sides. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put something that can lift it a little bit up. And this would be it. Let's wait a bit. So in this process, I'm going to desolder here. So I happen to have glue down here below. That's why it's not flexible. So I'm going to try to lift it a bit. So in the next step, I figured out there was a little bit of glue down below. So I've used this casing for the tablets. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my soldering gun again, and I'll come back again in a few seconds. So right now here, I'm going to be desoldering while lifting this casing here, so that we can detach it. So I've got another solution, putting a pin then this lifts it very well. Then that part is out. So I'll do the same. I'll bring the pin backwards. Now desolder while lifting it against the pin. Okay, this brings out our card. So I'm done removing the other slot, and the next step right now is to go ahead and connect this one. But first of all, you have to first go ahead and put the wax again. My gun is on. So I'm going to connect it. This was the one to go on top. Make sure I push gently. And do the same on this side. Push down. And then we are good to go. The other thing I'm going to do is to put some little bit of so this process takes a few seconds, and now everything is now good to go. This is how you repress. The next step, I'll put my SIM card, then to be able to work very well. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share this video so that we can reach more people. So thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.